Welcome to my CSR India News. Balco conducts training program on menstrual health management. Balco, Balkongar, Korba, 4th December 2021, Bharat Aluminium Company, Balco, India's iconic aluminium producer, organized a training program on menstrual health management under its flagship project Nai Kiran from 28 November to 4th December, in partnership with Sarthak Jan Vikas Sansthan. The training sessions were organized with the main objective of creating awareness and building capacity among women and adolescent girls on hygienic practices during menstruation. The week-long training program included different sessions and activities on various subjects such as life skill education, menstrual health as a biological process and social stigmas attached with it, gender disparity, and men in menstruation. The program witnessed the participation of around 175 adolescent girls and boys, health workers, maintenance, and community members. Mr. Abhijit Pati, CEO and Director, Balco appreciated the initiative and said, Balco is committed to extending every possible support to the members of the community through its community development programs. Our Nai Kiran project is focused on improving women's health in the region by engaging them in various interactive activities on different occasions. The target group which participated in the training program will act as a torchbearer and will spearhead the message on safe menstrual health practices in the communities, thus further enhancing the reach of the project. Sharing her experience, Savitri Shrivas, a Mitanin, says, the training session has provided useful information about following hygienic menstrual health practices. After participating in the workshop, I have realized the importance of menstrual health management and will disseminate the awareness about the same in my community as well. Talking about the usefulness of the initiative, Mr. Om Prakash, trainer and subject expert, says, due to the stigma attached with menstrual health, often the right information does not become available to the females. The initiative of Balco and SJVS is a step in the right direction towards busting myths related to menstruation and sensitizing the males, along with making the females aware. Since 2019, Balco and SJVS have collaborated to run various menstrual health and hygiene awareness programs in nearby villages and municipal corporation areas of Korba district, reaching out to nearly 24,000 women and girls in the process. Multiple G9 groups have been formed comprising the Sarpanch, Maintenance, Councillor, Anganwadi workers, and cluster president of self-help groups to spread awareness about menstruation. Under the aegis of the Nai Kiran project, a training unit has also been set up at Balco township to skill women in manufacturing sanitary napkins. Bharat Aluminium Company Limited, Balco, is India's iconic aluminium producer. It is owned 49% by the Government of India and 51% by Vedanta Limited. Balco is part of Vedanta's aluminium business, a division of Vedanta Limited, which is India's largest manufacturer of aluminium. Balco operates a 0.57 million ton per annum aluminium smelter in Korba, Chhattisgarh. It is also a leader in value-added aluminium products that find critical applications in core industries. With its world-class smelter and power plants, the company fulfills its mission of spurring emerging applications of aluminium as the metal of the future for a greener tomorrow.